Hello, Rhianna. I agree with your TED Talk that we will see a lot of extinction in wildlife in our lifetime, and a lot of it is due to poaching and overhunting and just the human aspect of abusing a specific species like elephants um, and rhinos, as you stated. The only thing I want to elaborate on, at least on another side, isn't so much the killing off of animals, but it is also the introduction to invasive species into an ecosystem that there's no real predator and they're just wreaking havoc. Some examples are like the pythons that are overbreeding down in Florida. Just across our plains and most of the farm country, the wild pigs that were introduced that are overbreeding. We also have sea bass that are introduced into our freshwater rivers. Whether originally it was to control another species, they're now eating everything and just destroying the wildlife. And if you also look up, I believe they're called tigerfish across our reef. They're originally over from Asia, and but there's no real threat to them over here in our coral reefs. And if there is, it's minor. So they actively want people to kill them on sight. So it's not just so much if we overhunt and poach an animal to extinction. We can also have the human aspect of thinking we're doing something or just mismanaging, handling them, and them getting out in the wild and overbreeding and destroying ecosystems. So there's another side to extinction more than just the human aspect of it. So thank you.